This video is for anybody looking to make solid passive income in a changing world where AI, it's probably going to replace a lot of jobs, right? Unlike careers in accounting, telemarketing, graphic design, and so on and so forth, the entrepreneurs who leverage these machines we're about to discuss, they're not going to need to worry. In fact, they are likely to net 6 figures, in some cases, maybe even 7 figures per year. Now, the cost of each machine, it's going to vary, and you can find most of them right on Amazon. Simple. So to help you get started, what we did was we put links in the description below for what specific machine that we recommend. All that we ask is that if you please like the video and subscribe if you found any value in it. A 3D printer allows you to create custom products, including phone cases, desk accessories, miniature models, personalized keychains, and even custom toys. I mean, the possibilities are endless, right? You won't even have to go Christmas shopping. But with a bit of design and knowledge and some practice with 3D modeling software, you can earn solid money selling your products on platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon. Expect to invest anywhere between $500 to $5,000 for a 3D printer, with a range of options available from Prusa Research and Amazon. Now, monthly earnings can range from $500 to $3,000, depending on demand and pricing. Interested in offering freelance welding services? Well, a portable welding machine can handle anything from quick fixes to custom metal projects, kind of like home decor, jewelry, business signs. Honestly, the opportunities are endless. You'll just need some basic welding skills, safety knowledge, and a bit of practice. You're likely to spend anywhere from $300 to $1,000, and you can find one of these machines at Harbor Freight or even Amazon. So simple. Freelance welders can earn between $1,000 and $4,000 monthly. A key duplication vending machine allows customers to create new keys instantly. And with minimal maintenance required, this is probably one of the best passive income ideas on the list. I mean, a key duplication vending machine, it's generally going to cost you between 10 and 20K, and you can find suppliers like KeyMe for option. With a well-placed machine, you can earn approximately $500 to $1,500 per month. A digital t-shirt printer allows you to produce custom apparel designs quickly and efficiently, catering to the growing demand for personalized clothing. Now, with a few design skills and a little bit of practice, you can create custom shirts and hoodies for a range of different clients, including local businesses, sports teams, gyms, schools, and just about really anyone who needs custom apparel, right? Prices range anywhere between $5,000 and $20,000 for a digital t-shirt printer, with top options available from Epson. You can make probably about $1,500 to $5,000 per month, depending on your orders. Like most of the other ideas on this list, a mobile photo booth offers solid margins and is low maintenance as well. These machines, they're currently in high demand for weddings, corporate events, and just about any type of party, right? The setup is compact and easy to transport, making it ideal for freelancers or event planners. Mobile photo booths typically cost between $3,000 and $10,000 with brands like Snapton and Photo Booth Supply Company. Both absolutely great options. With weekend events, monthly earnings can range from $2,000 to $6,000, just as long as you don't mind working on the weekend. Laser cleaning machines, they're in high demand for industrial cleaning and restoration, removing rust, paint, and grime from a wide range of surfaces, right? Including car parts, patio furniture, fences, boats, and even graffiti. These machines, they're compact and they're portable, making it easy to transport to job sites and set up in a flash. Expect to pay between $10,000 and $50,000 for a laser cleaning machine. A little bit more pricey. With top options available from Laser Photonics, industrial cleaning jobs can bring in $2,000 to $7,000 monthly. These machines, they are perfect for producing high quality branded items or even really cool personalized gifts for small businesses, sports teams, maybe nonprofits, realtors, and really anyone else who needs to promote their brand. Likely priced between $5,000 and $15,000, digital embroidery machines are available from brands like Brother and, of course, the GOAT, Amazon. Monthly earnings can range from $1,500 to $4,000 depending on your order volume. A sticker printing machine allows you to design and produce high-quality custom stickers, popular for branding, giveaways, and promotional materials, even bumpers. You can sell these stickers to all sorts of businesses and events. Sticker printing machines range from $300 to $3,000, with popular options available from Roland and Epson. With consistent orders, you can earn probably about $500 to $2,500 per month. Cold press juicer is a great option for selling fresh, nutrient-packed juices at farmers markets, events, or even as a delivery service. This machine lets you capitalize on the growing demand for health-conscious beverages, especially if you source organic or local produce. Now, cold press juicers typically cost between $300 and $2,000, a little bit more of a cheaper option. These top options are available from Omega and Breville. You can make $800 to $3,000 per month by selling fresh juices at popular locations. So, if you're looking to buy any of these machines, we put the links in the description for you below. And please, pretty please, remember to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. We really appreciate it.